Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today our topic is index finger. We are going to analyze the length of the index finger, and the length of our index finger determines a person's personality. In other words, we can say that it plays a significant role to determine a person's personality. Let's analyze on the board. Here, this one is our index finger. This one is our Saturn finger. This one is Apollo ring finger, and this one is little pinky finger. And today we are talking about index, the length of index. If our index is equal to our Apollo finger, just like to this area, it means the person has a balance in his ambition and his approach to life. I mean, he knows well his limitations of his ambitions. Yes, he is ambitious, but he is not dying for money or success or prosperity. But if our index is a bit longer than Apollo, it simply indicates the person has a great lust to earn a lot of money and name and fame and prosperity as well. In any way, he want to be successful, prosperity wise, luxury wise, work wise, profession wise. In every way, he wants success. He has a great lust for that, for name, fame, and prosperity and money. And suppose our index finger is as equal as to our Saturn finger, it shows that the man is over ambitious. He may be egoist. He has a great desire. He may have a great desire to govern the other people. It is not good, but a good sign at all, because it makes a man very ambitious and egoist. He always tries to overcome, dominate the people. Not good at all. If suppose our index finger is a bit above to our middle finger, up to this mark, it shows the man was almost very egoist or ambitious, and he had a great desire to govern the people. Now, one more weakness, evil thing, has come in the traits of his character, and that is fury. He may become dictator. In every way, in all way, he wants to dictate the people. He wants, he has a great desire to move the world, to move the people around him according to himself. But if lines just goes up to this level, it means more higher than certain finger. It is very lengthy. It shows the man is over ambitious, egoist, arrogant, furious, and now he has a lust. Earlier it was a desire, now it is a lust to govern the other people. Simply at this stage, when the index finger goes not bit lot higher, it simply shows that man is going to be a dictator, as he is egoist or ambitious, furious, a great lust to govern the people, and he wants the other to move as he wishes. In simple way, he becomes a dictator. In every way, he wants the things which he likes. He wants to implement those things. He wants to impose those things on others. That is not a good sign. The man is going to be a great egoist and furious and like a dictator. But just universally, on the contrary, if our index finger is lower than our Apollo finger, it indicates that the man is satisfied, though he has some ambitions, but he is not over ambitious. He is happy with what he is doing, what he is getting, what he is earning. He doesn't want more fame, more name. He is happy whatever he has, whatever the popularity fame he has, whatever money he has. He is happy with that, satisfied. But if our index is more lower, just suppose touching the top phalange of our certain finger, it indicates the man is timid, is covered, worried, tensed. He is always afraid whenever he tries to try something in a new field. He is scary. He wants to do something, but he always gets afraid of what will happen next. He always thinks that what he is going to do may give him a great loss, financial loss, physical loss. Means he becomes totally negative. He has negative approach to life. He doesn't have any great ambitions. On the contrary, he doesn't want to take any risk, no danger. He doesn't want to face the harsh realities of life. Even he doesn't want to give him more scope in any field. Simply means the man is a coward. timid, and just like a coward. He behaves like that. Always worried, always tensed. So our index finger plays an important role as far as length is concerned. If our index finger is more lengthy, it means that man may become arrogant, egoist, or ambitious, and he wants to govern the people. He wants to impose his desires on others. Another way, he may become like a dictator. And in the world, around the world, wherever we find some dictator, his index finger all have index finger very long, lengthy. If it is a bit lower to our Apollo finger, a bit lower means he is satisfied, but more lower means he becomes a coward and worried about everything, about future, about any work. That's the ultimate conclusion, the length of index finger. I hope you got it. You have understood all the things. You devote your time in watching my video. I am grateful to you from the core of my heart, and I would like to make an appeal to you all to like my video, to share my video, or to subscribe my video, and there is a bell icon button. Just press that. And then just another promise, we will see you soon. Till then, bye bye, goodbye, see you soon. Thank you, shukriya, namaskar.